welcome back to my channel for another new video. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I have a review for you guys. I'm super into doing reviews right now. If you guys have any products that you want me to review for relaxed hair, definitely let me know in the comments down below. I want to try out all the things, so I want to spend all the money. So definitely let me know down below if you guys have any products that you want me to try. But for this video, I'm trying out the Aunt Jackie's Coco Repair Deep Conditioning Cream. It's actually in my shower, so you guys will see it in a second. But this is just how it performed on my hair and my first impression of it on my relaxed hair, which... this is actually the outcome of it the next day. In the video, I just show you me applying it, me rinsing it out, and how my hair looked after I did my roller set, which I usually do on wash day. So this is the result. So as you guys can see, my hair looks pretty bomb, if I do say so myself. So yeah, I want you guys to make sure to subscribe if you want to look forward to new videos from me every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. This coming week, I'm actually on spring break, so I'm going to be filming lots of videos for you guys. So leave any requests that you have for videos pertaining to makeup, hair, whatever you want. I am down to film for you guys. I want to make sure that you guys are happy. So yeah, if you haven't already, make sure to like this video. If you like reviews on hair care products, if you guys want more reviews on foundations and makeup and everything like that, definitely just let me know. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I hope you guys enjoy this video and are having a wonderful day. And if you want to see how I got my hair like this and my review on the Aunt Jackie's Coco Repair Deep Conditioner, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, so as you can see, my hair is pretty dry because I went ahead and got out of the shower and did my makeup and everything like that. So I'm just going to re-wet my hair with just some water in a spray bottle. Obviously, if you're doing this in the shower, you don't have to do this. So this is just something I do. I just have a spray bottle here with some water. So I'm just going to go ahead and re-wet my hair. My hair actually dries really fast for it being so thick, which is actually really funny because you wouldn't think that it would dry quick, but it does. I already have my hair split into two sections. I'm just going to go ahead and split that into two sections as well and put this up and apply this deeper. It smells so good, so good. So just a little bit more. Make sure we're all nice and wet. So I'm just going to take this much and apply that to the section. Oh no, I feel water dripping down my back. Please don't. So, wow, it already gave my hair like a lot of slip. Like already. So that's super nice. Wow, it's really, really soft. Really moisturizing. I'm going to put this side up too because ma'am does not know how to not drip on my face. So nice. It's really soft. You guys can hear like it's really like moisturizing. So that's always good. So taking like that much again. Starting at the bottom, working my way up. Making sure to get the edges. My hair is usually really knotty once it comes out of the shower. That's just how my hair behaves. I usually detangle it once the conditioner has sat in it for a little bit, so that way I'm not like pulling at it too much. Making sure to get in the roots. Breaking it a little bit, parting it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and wrap these two sections together. I'm not going to sit under the my heating cap or anything. I'm just going to let this sit for 20 minutes or so. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side off camera just so that I don't bore you guys. I'm just going to do the same exact thing again, and then I will be right back. I'm just going in with a little bit more here just to get those edges in the center of my hair. Like so, and the nape. And that is that. So I'm going to read you guys the claims on this conditioner because I realized I didn't do that before I applied it. So this is my first review, guys. Give me a break. So I picked this up from my local beauty supply store for $7.99, which isn't expensive at all. So it says it's Aunt Jackie's Coco Repair Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner, as I stated in the intro. So it says it is infused with carrier oils that pull nutrients into the hair shaft. Aunt Jackie's Coco Repair Coconut Cream recipe helps to improve the look and feel of chronically dry, fragile tresses. Whether damage is from chronic dryness, over-processing with chemical straighteners or color, heat styling, braiding, or certain environmental conditions, Coco Repair is an effective remedy to help return hair to a vibrant, softer state, especially good for 2C to 4C textures. Obviously, I am relaxed, but I thought that this sounded super good when I was reading it while I was in my beauty supply store. It is enriched with coconut oil and avocado, mango, flaxseed to help repair damage, stop breakage, soften, shine, hydrate, dry, brittle hair. So as you guys can see, it's a pretty thick consistency here. It was really, really nice. It gave my hair a lot of slip when I was applying it, and it didn't take a lot of product to do that. So I think that this will definitely last me quite a long time. And yeah, so it says on the directions, on clean, damp hair, apply a generous amount all over hair, making sure hair is coated from roots to end. As an intensive repair treatment, cover hair with a plastic cap and sit under a warm hooded dryer for 10 minutes. Remove cap and rinse all traces of mask from hair. As a regular rinse out conditioning treatment, leave on for 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Towel blot hair and style as usual. For optimal results, first shampoo with Aunt Jackie's Coco Wash Conditioning Cleanser, and then followed by any Aunt Jackie's leave-in treatment. We recommend the Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant. So maybe I'll sit under my heated dryer for like 10 minutes because it's already out, because I did do a hot oil treatment today. I have been loving the hot oil treatments. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'll sit under there for 10 minutes and then kind of do other things while the other 10 minutes are up, and I will be back to show you guys my rinsed out hair and how it rinsed out and how my hair feels and everything like that. So I will be right back. Alright guys, so this is how my hair is looking. I just rinsed out the conditioner and my hair is so soft right now. It's just really moisturized but not super heavy. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of my leave-in conditioner. This is a leave-in conditioner that I always use. This is the Cream of Nature with argan oil from Morocco Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. I spray this before I go ahead and do my roller set. This is the only product that I do use prior to roller setting my hair and everything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Just spray. I just spray all over my hair. This is more so just to help with my detangling process, as well as just give a little bit of protection while I'm under the dryer. But my hair feels so soft because of that conditioner. As I was rinsing it out, I was like, dang girl, it was rinsing out so nicely. So I'm just using my Y2 comb and just starting at the root of my hair and working my way up. I'm not starting at the root, starting at the ends of my hair and then working my way up to the roots. This is the amount of hair that I lost. Not too crazy. A few strands. So, I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but nothing crazy. So, I'm going to go ahead, roller set my hair, and I will show you guys my finished results once I am done. Alright guys, so I just got out of the dryer and I did my roller set and my hair feels so good. It feels so moisturized, so hydrated, and it just feels like, I don't even know how to describe it, guys. It just feels really good. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but it just looks like so moisturized. Yeah, you can see the sheen in my hair. You can see how hydrated my hair is, and yes, the studio lights are making it look extra shiny, but it just looks so good. I'm really loving that deep conditioner, guys. So usually at this point in my wash day routine, I just put in some leave-in conditioner and wrap my hair up because I have stopped straightening my hair after I have roller set it. So I don't straighten my hair anymore. That's just personal preference. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap up my hair and wrap up this video. If you guys like the review on the Aunt Jackie's Coco Repair Cream, I hope that you guys will like this video if you liked it, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below if you have any recommendations for deep conditioners or product lines or anything that you want me to try for my hair care journey. If you guys like this video, don't forget, thumbs up, it helps me out a lot. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you girls. Mwah. Bye.